Ha?
Hindi ka pumalakpak. Hindi ka pumalakpak. Baka di mahirapan yun. Mababa ng mic. Ang baba ng mic. Hindi nakita yun. Kalimutan na. Okay na.
One day, life in the jungle. A tiny mouse ran in his big paw. The lion opened the door. I'm sorry, lion. Please don't eat me. The mouse did. Scratch, scratch. You upset the lion in a big voice. Mr. Lion, what did you let me talk? I can remember something. The mouse said, "Oh, you are just born to help me. You are just born to eat." The lion died. Ha ha ha. Thank you, the mouse said and ran away. A few days later, the mouse said, the lion roared. She quickly ran toward the sun. She saw a lion stuck in a big net. "I'm a happy lion," she told him. The lion tried to laugh, but he was sad. The mouse started chewing the ropes. Soon the lion was free. "I didn't think you could do it. Take it," the mouse said. The end.
And then,